what is the importance of doing baseline blood work? So the importance of doing baseline blood work, number 1, kung ikaw ay 40 years old and above, you should have a baseline blood work before ka mag-attempt gumawa ng low carb and fasting. Kasi baka hindi mo alam na sa estado mong yan, by virtue of you being 40 years old, kasi age of 40 po dyan talaga po nagsa-start na lumabas yung mga sakit-sakit. Ano po, usually when you're in your 20s, 30s, wala pa masyado yan. Although, nagbabago na po yan sa Pilipinas, marami na tayong nakikita sa pagkakaalam ko na mga bata pa. Paano ko nalaman? Kasi yung mga nagmo-move dito sa Canada ng mga bago kong pasyente, 20, 30 years old pa lang, may mga high cholesterol na po, high blood pressure. You know, it's all lifestyle induced. Sa ganyang estado, sa ganyang edad, 40 years old, you probably already have something kung ang iyong lifestyle talaga ay Filipino lifestyle ng pagkain. If hindi mo alam na meron ka na palang something dyan, then you do low carb and fasting, you don't do any adjustments, hindi ka pa guided. Pinakamahalaga sa lahat, hindi mo pa natukoy kung bakit, right? Say for example, you're 40 and you already have high blood pressure, you never worked it up, kung kailan ka nag low carb fasting, saka ka palang nagpa-check, edi hindi na po yan nakakapagtaka na makakita po tayo ng abnormality, but in the first place, you didn't know that it actually started way before you started low carb. Ang sinisisi na naman low carb. By virtue of yung plain science talaga, fasting will not damage your kidneys. In fact po, bibigyan niya ng kapahingahan yung inyong kidneys because when you go into fasting, you go into autophagy, so naglilinis yung inyong katawan, napapahingahan, so it shouldn't be an issue ngayon. Ang issue dyan is, if you have pre-existing kidney disease and you are going to eat a lot of proteins, then that will be a problem. But then how do you know na meron kang pre-existing kidney disease if you've never had baseline blood work in the first place?